Hey guys, welcome back to unboxing part 4. Today we're going to be doing the, what is it called? All of these, and this one that I just showed. Alright, so let's get right into this video. Hopefully my hand doesn't start hurting because I'm doing these at the same day and time and a lot of stuff. Alright. We got four energies. I just did it at the same time because those were a lot. These. And this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. That's a good one. This 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 one. I might be cooler than my friends. I might do 2 in this video, so then I could get into the other ones. If you want to start a YouTube channel, I think my first recommended thing is to introduce yourself. I get a lot of same things. Alright guys, I think this is it for this video, so I'm going to be doing another one, so hopefully enjoy, and peace out. Peace.